Collaborator genes also belongs to non-epistosis gene interactions. Collaborator genes also belongs to non-epistosis gene interactions. Collaborator genes means every gene containing their own character. Every dominant gene or recessive gene containing their own characters. If the dominant gene collaborate with another dominant gene to express new character or new color, every dominant gene containing their own color or character, the dominant genes are combined with another dominant genes. The dominant genes are combined with another dominant genes to express new color or new character. These new color or new character expressed by collaborator genes. The collaborator genes explained with different combs in fowls. Different combs in fowls. Here it is 4 types of combs in fowls. One is rose combs. Rose combs are expressed by capital R gene. These are in dominant position. P comb fowls. P comb fowls expressed by capital P genes. And these are also in dominant position. Walnut combs expressed by capital P genes. Capital P genes are in collaborator structure. So collaborator genes are capital R and capital P. They expressed walnut combs. If these capital R, capital P are in small recessive position, they called small r, small p. Small r, small p expressed single combs. Single combs in fowls. Here it is in collaborator genes, the parental generations of fowls with rose combs, another fowl with P combs. Rose comb expressed by capital R and small p genes. Here it is rose comb character expressed by capital R gene only, and small p genes are in recessive position. And another pole of parental generation, small r, capital P. These are expressed P combs. P combs expressed by the capital P genes. P combs expressed by capital P genes. From these two fowls, two different gametes are developed. From rose combs capital R small p, from P combs small r capital P gametes are developed to form F1 generation. In F1 generation, capital R, capital P, small p zygotes are formed. These are in heterozygotic condition. The F1 generations are in heterozygotic condition. They expressed walnut combs in fowls. The walnut combs are expressed by the collaborator genes. The collaborator genes means capital R gene collaborate with capital P gene. They express new color or new character called walnut, called collaborator genes. The character is walnut combs in fowls. The F1 generations are contains capital R, capital P, small p. These are in heterozygotic condition. From these heterozygotic condition zygote, capital R gene collaborate with capital P gene and they expressed new color or new character, that is walnut. The walnut character expressed in F1 generation by collaboratory genes, they are capital R and capital P. The F1 generations of walnuts crossed with the same another F1 generation of walnuts to form F2 generation. In F2 generation, from F2 generation 16 zygotes are formed. From these 16 zygotes, 16 fowls are formed. Before the explanation of these 16 zygotes, from F1 generation, one fowl act as a heterozygotic condition, another fowl act as a heterozygotic condition, F1 generation. One fowl produced capital R, capital P, capital R, small p, small r, capital P, small r, small p gametes. Another fowl produced capital R, capital P, capital R, small p, small r, capital P, small r, small p gametes. These gametes are fused to form F2 generation. In F2 generation, total 16 zygotes are formed. From these 16 zygotes, 16 fowls are developed. The 16 fowls are shows F2 generation of phenotypic ratio is 9:3:3:1. 9 are walnut combs, 3 are rose combs, 3 are pea combs, and 1 is single comb. The walnut combs expressed by the capital R, capital P gene in any zygote of F2 generation. In any zygote of F2 generation, capital R, capital P genes are present in the zygote. They expressed only collaborator genes. The collaborator genes expressed walnut combs. See, from these 16 zygotes, 9 fowls are expressed walnut combs by the collaboratory genes. If capital R cannot combine with capital P, at that time they express rose combs. Rose combs are 3 because capital R gene only is present in the zygote. So they express rose combs, and remaining 3 are P combs. The P combs are expressed by capital P genes. Capital P genes means capital R gene present in this zygote. So the capital P gene character is P combs. The P combs are in 3. If capital R, capital P are present in the zygote, means small r, small p present, they express the single combs. Finally, in walnut, in collaboratory genes, the F2 generation of phenotypic ratio is 9:3:3:1.